What's up, guys? If you want quick, powerful cleaning without the hassle, a carpet and upholstery spot cleaner is a must-have. It instantly removes stains on carpets, sofas, rugs, and car seats. The compact, portable design and long hose make every cleanup fast and effortless. Perfect for homes with kids or pets, it keeps your space fresh, spotless, and always ready for guests, making it an essential upgrade for easy, everyday. Number 6 is Vacmaster Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner Machine. Transform your cleaning routine with the Vacmaster Spot Cleaner, now only $77 after a 14% discount. Designed for fast, powerful stain removal, it tackles spills on carpets, sofas, rugs, and car seats effortlessly. The extra long 6-feet hose reaches every corner, while its lightweight, portable build makes grab-and-go cleaning simple. A built-in hose cleaning tool keeps it fresh, and its compact size fits neatly in any cabinet. Complete with tools and cleaning formula, your perfect instant clean solution. The next is number 5. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. Deep cleaning made easy. The Hoover Carpet Cleaner is your all-in-one solution for a cleaner, fresher home. Designed for carpets and upholstery, this powerful cleaner easily tackles stubborn dirt, pet messes, and everyday stains. Key features: the complete clean combo. Featuring 5-counter rotating spin scrub brushes and heat force technology, the Power Scrub lifts embedded dirt and speeds up drying time. It restores your carpets with ease, leaving them refreshed and renewed. Versatile tools. Not just for carpets, this machine includes a pet tool for deep pet messes, an upholstery tool for furniture and fabric cleaning, and a crevice tool for tight corners. The 8-feet hose extends your reach for multi-surface cleaning. Dual tank technology. Separate clean and dirty water tanks make refilling and emptying simple and hygienic. No cross-contamination, just clean results every time. Auto Mix. The built-in Auto Mix system ensures the perfect solution to water ratio, removing the guesswork and delivering consistent cleaning performance. The package includes all the essential tools plus a sample cleaning solution. Pair with Hoover Solutions. For best results, pair it with Hoover's carpet cleaning formulas. Whether it's the pet formula for fur and stains or everyday solutions for general upkeep, your carpets will look and feel like new. Whether you're tackling high-traffic areas or deep pet stains, the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe delivers professional-level cleaning results at home. The next is number 4. Ailltopd Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. Deep cleaning with powerful suction. Tired of stubborn stains ruining your carpets and furniture? The Ailltopd Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner delivers professional-grade cleaning with high-power suction, large dual tanks, and versatile attachments, making it perfect for homes with pets, kids, or high-traffic messes. Key features: super large dual tanks. Features a 1.5 liters clean water tank and 0.8 liter sewage tank for longer, uninterrupted cleaning. Simply add detergent to the clean tank for enhanced stain removal. Never exceed max line to maintain suction. New upgrade powerful suction. A 500 watts motor generates 15 kPa suction power, easily lifting tough stains like wine, dirt, and pet messes through spray, brush, and suction steps, leaving surfaces dry and fresh. Easy storage and space-efficient compact design fits under sinks or in closets, with built-in hose, cord, and brush storage to save space. Wide application range of clean sofas, mattresses, car seats, and more with 2 brush heads for different stain sizes. Perfect for accidents on hard-to-wash fabrics. Longer reach for larger cleaning includes a 4.26 feet hose and 16.4 feet power cord, allowing flexible movement between cleaning tasks. The Ailltopd Portable Spot Cleaner combines industrial-strength suction, smart storage, and multi-surface versatility in a lightweight, easy-to-use machine. Whether tackling pet stains, spills, or upholstery grime, this cleaner ensures a deeper clean with faster drying, keeping your home spotless with minimal effort. The next is number 3. Kenmore KW 2001 Spotlight. Compact and powerful portable carpet cleaner. Kenmore KW 2001 Spotlight. Compact and powerful portable carpet cleaner. The Kenmore KW 2001 Spotlight is your go-to solution for quick, effective stain removal in a compact, easy-to-carry design. Whether you're cleaning carpets, furniture, or car interiors, this portable carpet spot cleaner is perfect for homes with pets, kids, or frequent messes. Key features: powerful stain removal. Strong suction easily lifts deep-set stains from carpets, upholstery, and auto interiors. Ideal for tackling pet messes, spills, and everyday accidents. Wet pickup and onboard storage. Built-in wet pickup function and integrated storage keep accessories organized and cleaning simple. Lightweight and portable, weighing less than 11 pounds, this cleaner is easy to carry around your home, upstairs, or out to the car. Instant cleanup for everyday spills. Quickly handles everything from muddy footprints to food and drink spills, keeping your spaces clean and fresh. Dual tank system. Separate tanks for clean and dirty water simplify filling and emptying. Comes with a trial size cleaning formula, so you can get started right away. Compact design. Its space-saving size fits easily under sinks or in closets, making storage a breeze in smaller homes or apartments. Versatile cleaning tools. Includes a 3.5 tough stain tool for targeted spots and a 6.5 wide path tool for larger areas. The Kenmore KW 2001 Spotlight delivers big cleaning power in a small package. It's easy to use, fast to set up, and stores away neatly, making it a reliable, must-have cleaner for quick touch-ups and tough messes alike. The next is Number 2. Shark Stain Striker Portable Cleaner. Powerful stain removal on the go. The Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is a compact powerhouse designed for deep cleaning anywhere in your home or car. Ideal for busy households with kids or pets, this versatile cleaner effectively handles tough stains, pet accidents, and everyday spills. Deep cleaning power. Featuring Shark's dual-activated cleaning solution, the Stain Striker delivers up to 20 times more stain-fighting power. The advanced formula mixes inside the device to target deep-set stains quickly and efficiently. Pet-friendly performance. Say goodbye to lingering pet odors and smoke smells. The Stain Striker instantly eliminates strong odors, leaving your surfaces fresh and clean. Ultra-strong suction. Engineered for performance, it lifts embedded dirt and grime from carpets, upholstery, and car interiors, helping restore them to like new condition. All-in-one home cleaning. Whether it's rugs, couches, stairs, or car seats, the Stain Striker handles it all. It's the perfect solution for spot cleaning across your entire home. Lightweight and compact, weighing under 9 pounds, this cleaner is easy to carry, store, and use in tight spaces. Its compact size makes it ideal for quick cleanups, both indoors and on the go. Bonus XL tool and full-size solution. Comes with an extra-large cleaning attachment for bigger messes and a full-size bottle of Shark's Pro-Level cleaning formula for added value. Combining power, portability, and convenience, the Shark Stain Striker is a reliable tool to keep your home fresh, clean, and ready for anything. The Shark Stain Striker combines powerful suction, advanced stain-fighting technology, and portability to keep your home spotless. Whether dealing with pet accidents, spills, or car stains, this cleaner makes deep cleaning effortless. A must-have for every household. The next is Number 1. BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam, the ultimate portable cleaner. The BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam is a compact yet powerful cleaner that brings pro-level results to your home. Designed for deep cleaning and fast drying, it's perfect for busy homes and pet owners alike. Key benefits: help save pets. Every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation to help rescue homeless animals. HydroSteam trademark technology combines steam, powerful suction, and BISSELL's Oxy formula to lift stubborn stains, grease, and pet messes, up to 50% better than traditional cleaners. 3 cleaning modes: steam wash for deep messes, steam for refreshing surfaces, and wash mode for breaking down organic stains like pet accidents. Fast dry time dries most upholstery in just 25 minutes, minimizing wait time. Multi-surface tools includes a 5 tough stain tool for carpets and auto interiors, plus a multi-surface tool for tile, grout, and shoes. User-friendly design: dual tanks keep clean and dirty water separate. The 64 ounces Clean tank and removable dirty tank make refilling and cleaning easy. Stain fighting formula comes with Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Urine Eliminator and Stain Protect for long-lasting cleanliness. From carpets and upholstery to stairs, tile, and even sneakers, the BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam handles it all. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for tackling life's messes quickly and effectively. Best of all, it supports a great cause: clean your home while helping animals in need. So this is the best option for you to buy.